Here's my last ever retake of these two Modernised Otis Lexan traction lifts at Indooroopilly Shopping Centre. We'll take a look at the sensors, they still look the same. There's still the crack from there. Alright, we'll go up to 6. We'll do a cab view. Here's a great view of the shaft. Got a P2. Oh, these are really quick. Yesterday at Kenmore Village, I saw that the area where the Lexan is getting demolished. So the only lifts that are remaining is the childcare 5400 AP and the library 5400 AP. By the way, the library 5400 AP is the darkest I've ever went in my life. We'll conclude the video on 1. You are at 1. And there it goes. That's it.